The next chemical test we're going to talk about is the phosphate test. The phosphates, all they do in a tank is essentially make the algae grow. The Phosphate reactor that I have back in here, the one that hangs on the back of the tank that has those brown granules in it, that comes in that container right there, that this needs to be changed out about every month and a half, and it will keep your phosphates at essentially zero in the tank. But if you're getting a lot of algae growth, it's been a while since you changed the phosphate reactor, and you want to see if the phosphates are up. If that might be why there's algae in the tank, you can do the phosphate test. Again, there's two bottles. There's a number 1 bottle, number 2 bottle. But there's also 2 cards. One's for fresh water, one's for salt water. Make sure you grab the one that says salt water on it, otherwise your test will be off. Again, follow the directions on the back of the card. Add 6 drops of the number 1 bottle and then shake it for a couple seconds. Add 6 drops of the number 2 bottle, shake it around to mix it, wait 3 minutes, and compare it to the front of the card. With the Phosphate reactor on the back of the sump, it should be 0. It might be a hint of green, but that's fine. We're starting to get into the greens and blues. You're going to need to change the phosphate removal media in the Phosphate reactor, so basically just change this out. You don't need to do a water change to reduce the phosphates. You just need to change that out, give it a couple of days, and the phosphates in the tank should reduce, and the algae shouldn't have anything to feed off of.